You must give way to pedestrians.
You must give way. No entry. You must not enter this road. You must stop. Give way to cyclists. Keep right or keep left. Pass either side. Turn right only. Ahead only. You must go this way, left or right. Roundabout. 60 is the minimum and 120 is the maximum. You must not turn left. You must not turn right. You must not exceed 80 km/h speed limit. You must not overtake. No hazardous materials. No goods vehicle or no truck allowed. No pedestrians. No cyclist. Prohibition of vehicles exceeding the maximum gross weight indicate. No U-turn. No horn near to animals or near to hospital. Maximum height limit is 4.2. Parking area. Parking for handicap. No parking. You must not wait or park in this area shown by the arrow. You must not wait on the left. You must not wait on the right. You must not wait on both sides. You must not wait or park in the area shown by the arrow during the time. So the blank space, we can add the times. The beginning of a freeway or motorway or highway. The end of a freeway or motorway or highway. Traffic signals ahead. Stop sign ahead. Junction ahead. You will merge with other traffic from the right side. Roundabout ahead. T intersection ahead. Intersection ahead. Slow down and prepare to stop. Pedestrian crossing ahead. Two-way traffic. Maximum headroom, or we can say maximum height 4.9 meter. Dual carriageway ends or two lanes joining into one. Beware of oncoming traffic. Curve in the road to the left. Curve in the road to the right. Slow down. Curves or bends in the road. Drive carefully. Or we can say several bends. Low flying aircraft ahead. Do not be distracted. U-turn ahead. High voltage overhead cable ahead. Opening bridge ahead. Road works ahead. River bank ahead. Tunnel ahead. Slippery road ahead. Speed hump ahead. Risk of falling rock. Two-way traffic crosses one-way road ahead. Road narrows on the left ahead. Road narrows on both sides ahead. Other dangers ahead. Uneven road. Diversion to opposite carriageway ahead. Left hand lane closed ahead. No through road or road is closed. Steep hill downwards ahead or steep hill upwards ahead. School zone or school area ahead. Animals ahead. Right lane closure ahead. You can find these sign on highways or motorways. On high speed lane, lane is controlled. Trucks not permitted in the left lane. Always drive on the slow lane. No turning for trucks or lorries. Priority over the vehicles from the opposite direction. Lane ahead open, lane ahead closed.